Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove first column formatting of table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to remove the first column formatting this table. Select the column. Click and drag on our mouse, then go to the design menu, then click fill option and choose no fill. Now we can see we remove the first column formatting. You can add first column formatting. Select the first column and go to the design menu, then click fill and choose any fill. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.